The key to financial freedom isn't just one source of income. It's building multiple streams of income that works for you even while you are asleep. So if you are looking for a flexible way to earn this money online, but you don't even know where to start, don't worry. In today's video, I'll be breaking down 5 online jobs that anyone can do no matter your experiences, right? They are 5 friendly online jobs that can help you start building those multiple streams of income today. And see, I would not only be showing you these jobs, I would even show you where to find them and how much you can earn. So let's dive right quickly into this. First on the list is becoming an online survey taker. This is one of the easiest ways to start earning money online. What do online surveys taker do? They basically answer surveys for companies looking to gather customer insights. So topic range from product feedback to general consumer opinion. You can find these opportunities on platforms like Swagbox, Survey Junkie, Atapol, Inbox Dollars, and so many others. The estimated earning for this is between $1 to $5 per survey, and some longer survey can pay you up to $50. The truth is, while it won't make you rich, it's a great way to make some extra cash in your free time. Remember, the goal here is extra source of income, so you're not just dependent on your usual 9 to 5, right? Let's go to the next one, and the next one is data entry. Yes, this is a pretty straightforward job for perfect beginners. Like if you are you are detail oriented, it's an excellent choice. I have taken a couple of these jobs from Upwork before, and it's pretty straightforward, especially if you're good with software like Microsoft Excel. What do? You impute and organize data for companies. It includes maybe updating spreadsheets for them, managing their records, organizing files. I know I've gotten things like as simple as someone looking for someone to enter details from Microsoft Word into Microsoft Excel. So you're just doing basic copy and paste. There are things that you can do if you have the basic knowledge of using Excel, for instance, and you can do these jobs easily. Where do you find such jobs? Check sites like Flexwork, Upwork, especially Freelancer. There are sites where you can find these opportunities. Your estimated earnings, most of this data entry job pay between $10 to $20 per hour, depending on the complexity and the volume of the work. Accuracy is key in this role, so you have to be able to double check your work and to build a strong reputation, because with that you would have a return client and recommendations. Up next is online tutoring. So if you're someone that enjoys teaching or explaining things to people, online tutoring is a highly rewarding option, especially if you're skilled in a particular subject, say math, French, Yoruba. I have people come online to want someone that will teach them languages like Yoruba, French, different things, math, science for children, music. You just teach students of all ages, from elementary maths to college level subjects, or even ESL, that's the normal English as a second language, right? You find these opportunities on platforms like VipKids, Wyzant, Tutor.com. There are lots of them. Teach Me, platforms where you can find these opportunities. Estimated earnings for tutors can range between $15 to $25 per hour, and experienced ones can charge up to $60 per hour. And this is depending on the subjects, right? So if you're tutoring ESL or certifications like TFL, it can help you land better paying gigs. So that's on that. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please, am I not dishing enough value for you? Click on that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you get notified when I post juicy content like this, right? And if you're my returning subscriber, I love you always, right? All right, let's continue with this, right? Number 4 on the list for me is graphic design. The truth is, if you have a creative eye, graphic design might just be perfect fit. People underrate graphic design, honestly. The best part, you don't need a degree. You just need a strong portfolio. You've done a lot of designs that someone asks that can, oh, I have this thing I want to do. You have that portfolio of designs that you have done, and then you get opportunities with it. People are looking for people to create logos. Companies, organizations are looking for people to create logos for them, social media graphics for them, thumbnails. Yes, you will be surprised. YouTubers, content creators are looking for people who can do thumbnail designs for them, presentations, and more. Where do you find these opportunities? You can find these opportunities on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, 99 Designs, Dribble. You use platforms like Canva to create this design, and then you get paid for it. The estimated earning for beginner designers can charge between $15 to $30 per project, but experienced designers often make between $50 to $100 plus projects. That's creating sample designs to showcase on your portfolio or your social media page to attract clients. With this, you will find opportunities more. Number 5 on my list, which is not the list anyways, is transcription services. Let's talk about transcription services. This is an ideal job if you are a fast typer and then you also have a good listening skill. What you have to do most times, you listen to audio that people, maybe recorded audios, and then you transcribe this audio to written, say, Microsoft Word or other softwares that is needed, right? Now you just listen to this audio, listen to video recordings, type them out into text. That's what this job is basically about, right? Now sites like Rev, ScribeMe, Scribey are great places to start when you're looking for jobs like this. Let me tell you, beginners can earn between $1 to about $2 per audio minute. Yes, and this averages to about $15 to $25 per hour because you're paid per audio minute that you transcribe, right? The truth is, accuracy and speed are very key in transcription jobs. So practice with free typing tools, in order to improve these skills. These are very possible side hustles that you can do. I've tried about 2 of it, which is the data entry. I've given that a try. I've done that a lot. I've taken some graphic design jobs even on my own here, and they are not so difficult. They are tasks that anybody can do. Online survey, sit down at my free time instead of just browsing through and watching other people's content. Sometimes I just take surveys with my time, and yes, it might sound like little money, but you see, extra source of income doesn't have to be millions coming in. Little tiny drops make that mighty ocean that you're looking at. So don't underestimate every 1 cent that you make extra, right? So there you have it. There are the 5 online jobs that are perfect for beginners and they very well, right? So whether you are a survey taker, organizer, teacher, creative, or typist, there's something here for everybody. So guys, if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss more tips on how to make money online. Comment below which job you think I might have missed out or which one you're excited to try, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.